Morning students, this is your social science textbook exploring social science. Today we learn about history lesson 1, an introduction to history. In this chapter mainly we study about what is history, what is the definition of history, who is the father of history, what is the importance of history. Firstly, we are discussing about what is history. The word history is derived from the Greek word historia, which means know this. The simple meaning of history is study of past. The history subject, what are the things we learn about it? These all things are happened in the past time. The next point is, what is the definition of history? History is the record of people, places and events. That means history is a record of past written information. That is not present time, not in future time. That is only indicating for the past time. Who are historians? The scholars who describe the past are called historians. Herodotus is known as the father of history. He was a Greek historian. As a history student, we should understand what are the importance of history. Students, the next point is, what are the importance of history? Why do we study history? It helps us to know our past. It helps us to know our past. अपने बीता हुआ टाइम के बारे में पता करने के लिए अपन हिस्ट्री पढ़ना है. Next point is, through its study we come to know about the kings and statesmen as well as ordinary people. Next point is, it enables us to gain knowledge of the development of man's culture and civilization. Next point is, it is from the study of the history that we come to know that origin and evolution of different languages. Next, fifth point is, the study of history help us to understand the basic nature of our society. Students, next we study about what is meant by BC and AD. The letter BC stands for before Christ and AD stands for Anno Domini, which means the year of the Lord. Okay students, next point is, physical or geographical divisions of India are the Great Himalayas, the Great Northern Plains, the Deccan Plateau, the Eastern and Western Coastal Plains. Through this, we study about the physical map of India, page number 4. Students, look at this map. This is the physical map of India. In this map, we can see the physical divisions of India, the Great Himalayas, the Northern Plains, the Deccan Plateau, the Eastern and Western Coastal Plains. Next point is, sources of history. Sources of history, there are two types of sources of history: literary, archaeological. Literary are written sources, archaeological are non-written sources. Look at the literary sources of history. First point is religious literature, second is secular literature, third is travelers' accounts. In archaeological or non-written records are artifacts, monuments, coins, inscriptions. In literary sources, the first point is religious literature. You know, Vedas are different: Rig Veda, Samaveda, Yajur Veda and other Veda. Next, the religious literature is epics. Two epics are Ramayana and Mahabharata. In secular literature, Example is Arthashastra by Kautilya. Next, travelers accounts. A number of foreign travelers visited this country from time to time. Example, Fagian, a Chinese pilgrim. Huyansang, also a Chinese pilgrim, visited India. And next, archaeological sources. What are the archaeological sources? Are inscriptions, coins, monuments, artifacts. Yes, students, archaeological sources. First point is inscriptions. The inscription engraved on stone, copper plates, etc. provided us information about important events of Venetian rulers. The rock edicts of Ashoka, the Sanchis inscriptions, the Allahabad pillar inscriptions. Students, next archaeological sources, coins. A large number of coins belongs to the ancient times also have found. These coins are made of gold, silver, copper and other materials. This is the ancient coins. Students, next point is monuments. The ruins of old buildings, temples, places, stubas, caves, old towns, etc. provide information about the past. Students, last point is artifacts. Artifacts or works of art comprises sculptures and paintings. Also help us in forming an idea of the cultural life of the people of the past. Look at this, the temple of Cambodia, and these are artifacts. Students, stay at home, stay safe, stay learning. Thank you.